Good morning everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Sakshi and in this session we are about to discuss the daily current affairs as on 13th July 2020. So before beginning, as I always tell you, if you are preparing for defense exams, SSB Crack is best for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense related exams like CDS, NDA, AFCAT, Territorial Army. For more details, visit our website ssbcrackexams.com. There you'll find the entire package of courses, mock tests, quizzes and study materials. For defense updates and notifications, follow us on our social media platforms Twitter, Telegram, Instagram and Facebook. You can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay guys, so let's start our session with the question of the day. So in the previous day's session, I asked you what is Vande Bharat mission. Okay, so this Vande Bharat mission, it is an Indian government initiative for bringing the stranded people back home in this pandemic. So it is a massive evacuation program which was launched in May 2020 due to the COVID-19 situation. So this involved the flights via Air India and its low-cost arm Air India Express as well as Indian Navy. So when we talk about Vande Bharat mission, it is said that the total number of civilians evacuated through this have surpassed the Kuwait airlift. And the estimates are like ranging from 1,92,000 from 1,92,000 to 2,50,000. So as well as evacuating Indian national back to the country, certain flights will also evacuate anyone who want to leave and provide that they are national and permanent residents or have a visa with at least 1 year. So under this, one more initiative was launched and which was named as Swadesh, and we discussed about Swadesh card in the previous day session as well. Okay, so that is why I'm explaining it here. So Swadesh, which means skilled workers arrival database for employment support. So under this, their database, like the people who are migrating from the countries who are getting evacuated, their databases is being prepared as per their proficiency, and based on these this indigenous and foreign companies can be provided employment according to the demands. So this particular Swadesh card scheme, it is together launched by 3 ministries like Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of External Affairs and Skill Development. Okay, so let's start our session with the first article that we have today. So first is Niti Aayog. It has launched ATL app development module. So it is launched under Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission, and they have launched this module for school students and for their development. So the app, it has been launched in collaboration with the homegrown startup Plasmo, and with an aim to sharpen the skill of students and transforming them from app users to app makers in the times to come under the AIMS flagship program, that is Atal Tinkering Labs. So I've discussed all these things in the previous sessions, right? Atal Innovation Mission. So I hope you are following this. Okay, so when we talk about ATL app development module, it is an online free course. It is a free of cost course online, and through 6 project based learning modules and online monitoring sessions, young innovators can learn to build mobile apps in various Indian languages and showcase their talent on there. So once the ATL development app development modules is implemented at school levels across the world, it will be the largest app learning initiative. So at present, in over 660 districts in the country, have over 5,100 Atal Tinkering Labs. Okay guys, so the next we have is new Guinness World Record by India's Tiger Census. So yes, India's Tiger Census has set a new Guinness World Record for being the world's largest camera trap wildlife survey. So in the 4th cycle of the survey, that is an All India Tiger Estimation 2018, the result of which were declared in the Global Tiger Day, so last year. So it has entered the Guinness World Record for being the world's largest camera trap wildlife survey. So try to answer this in the comment section then that when the Global Tiger Day is celebrated. Let me give you a hint that it is celebrated in this month only. So try to answer this in the comment section. Okay, so yes, it has set the world record now. So India has fulfilled its resolve to double the tigers number 4 years before the target. India has already completed the target of doubling up the number of tigers, and before 4 years. So the targets are set for 2022, but we have already fulfilled the target. So the country has now estimated 2,967 tigers as per the latest census. With this number, India is home to nearly 75% of global tiger population and has already fulfilled its resolve of doubling of the tigers. Okay, so guys, the next news we have is Chhattisgarh. It has become the first state to start E-Lok Adalat. So yes, E-Lok Adalat was conducted through video conferencing this time, and Chhattisgarh became the first state to conduct this. So over 3,000 cases will be heard in this, with more than 200 benches of various districts across the state, including the High Court in the Bilaspur. So due to the lockdown, we know working of the government departments as well as the judiciary have got significantly affected, and the advocates and the defendants both are getting tough times in the tough phases they are. So when we talk about the E-Lok Adalats, the cases related to money like settlements, accident claims, bouncing of check, besides families disputes, these amongst others which are usually resolved by the Lok Adalats. Okay guys, so next is India became the second largest source of FDI for UK, that is United Kingdom. So yes, India has become the second largest source for FDI for UK. So for that, India invested in 120 projects and has created 5,429 new jobs in United Kingdom to become this and to come in this position. So the first position is held by United States, and the data is of 2019. So the data is released by United Kingdom's government Department of International Trade. So moving up from its previous position, that was third largest spot, representing an overall of 4% of the FDI increase for UK on 2018-19, with 1,852 new inwards investment projects in 19-20 financial year. So in financial year 2019-20, the third position is held by Germany, fourth is France, China is on fifth position, and Hong Kong is on sixth position as a source of FDI for the United Kingdom. Okay guys, so I'll be telling you the current COVID-19 situation as per 12th July 2020. So the active cases, they have reached to 2,92,258. The cured cases have surpassed 5,34,620, and that's have reached to 22,674. Okay, so let's move ahead. It is a quiz time now. Try to answer these questions. So the first question in front of you is ATL app is developed, ATL app development module is developed by, it's launched by which of the following? A, Niti Aayog, B, CBSE, C, MHRD, and D, none of the above. So the correct answer is Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog has launched this ATL app development module under this Atal Innovation Mission, or under this Atal Tinkering Labs. Okay. So the next question is, as per the latest census, what is the total number of tigers in the country? So the correct answer is B, 2,967. You do not need to remember the exact number, just remember the approximate number, okay? Like approximate 3,000 tigers are there. Okay. Moving ahead, next is which is first state to start E-Lok Adalats? So the correct answer for this will be Chhattisgarh. Next is which country is the second largest source of FDI for UK? You need to tell me that which is the country which is the second largest source for FDI for United Kingdom. So the correct answer for this is India. India held the second position and US is in the first position. Okay. So this is all about the questions. Now you have a question of the day that you're supposed to answer in the comment section. Just tell me what are Lok Adalats and what is the reason for their establishment. So you're supposed to answer this in the comment section. We have already discussed this about Lok Adalats, that Chhattisgarh has become the first state to start the Lok Adalat. So now tell me what is Lok Adalat. Okay, we'll discuss this in the we'll discuss this in the next session in the detailed way. So for that, you'll have to stay tuned. Till then, work hard. Jai Hind.